So, I've seen some videos coming on of you doing, some of you doing these kicks at home, which is great. I can see it's a struggle to get them sometimes in the space that you have. So I just wanted to go over how you will do this step. So if you've just got a small amount of space, rather than using the back leg to keep doing like this, try to incorporate the step. So from a standing start, take one step, swing, step back, turn. Take one step, swing, step back, turn. You can do like this. Take one step, step back, turn. Take one step back, turn. You can also make it a bit more challenging here, here. Okay, so this is, if you do like this, you're going to be able to use that step to bring the other leg up. Here, I use this step to bring this leg up, as opposed to having to hoik, like pull the leg up from here. It's a lot more effort than here. Okay, so try to, even if you have a small space, try to find a way of doing it with that step. So it's called the lamp salutation. There are normally 7 repetitions. We are just going to do a few repetitions, less. So I'd like you to cross the arms, and when you cross the arms, put the right arm on top. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go from here to the side and up to the shoulder. Then you're going to reach forward until the back of the hands come together. Just stay where you are, pum and chatai, to this position here. And then if we all 3 carry on, we come inside and up to here. From here, straight down, up, keep the elbows together, and then back down. So once more, to the side, forward, back of the hands together, inside, to the navel, straight up. For now, keep looking straight. Straight down, straight up, and then back to cross. Once more, to the shoulder, forward, inside to the navel, straight up, forward and down, fold at the arm, back. Once more. 1, 2, 3. One, to the shoulder. 2, forward, inside and up. 3, down and back. Once more on each side. Good, stay there. Yes, good. So we can see yes, both Shatai and Pum very straight. If we look at from the front, we can see there's one straight line here. Everything is tight. The 2 heels are in one straight line with each other. So if you can't always get that alignment, if there has to be some space here, that's fine. But don't go the other way. Don't cross over here. So this is fine. This is fine. This is not good. So make sure you're not crossing with the back leg. that you're not crossing over, that you're keeping in one line or slightly outside, but not this way. Chatai and Pum, both in one line. Excellent. And stepping back. Good. And to finish once on the other side. So open the left, lift. Now from here, from the core, reach forward. So try to have that upper body, lower body moving together. Please keep using the forum. The forum is there for you guys to stay in touch with each other, and it'll be really good for me to get feedback from you all. I can then incorporate it, we can incorporate it in everything that we're doing going forward. So from now, for me, Nale Kanam, and I'll see you tomorrow.